Norwegian salmon. Even the word is mouth-watering to gourmets worldwide. So how did we get there? To start with, our given environment, the clean water of the Norwegian fjords, and of course, skills, derived from decades of experience. And last but not least, attention to detail, those crucial to salmon quality, such as always keeping the nets clean. For years we've been cleaning the nets using high-pressure water cleaning vessels. That's about to change. Why? It turns out that the high-pressure water cleaning is stressful to the fish, causes fish death, and is harmful to the environment. In other words, it affects the quality of the product, and we don't want that. It's obvious that the aquaculture industry needs a better solution. A solution that improves the environment, both in and outside the nets, considerably. That's why we invented Remora, an autonomous cleaning robot. Remora causes less stress, less disease, and less death among the fish. It's a quiet and non-interfering robot. The fish hardly know it's there. It's also sophisticated, using patented technology, doing far more than only cleaning the nets. Next to cleaning, monitoring and maintaining the nets is one of Remora's many features. And most importantly, Remora also collects big data. Big data improves fish health through analysis and detailed insight, such as water temperature, salt and oxygen levels, and how the nets look, maintenance-wise, just to mention a few. It sounds like a story from the future, but it isn't. Remora is in fact out there, working the nets as we speak.